How everybody. We are here today to combine two different songs together to give you a rhythmic sensation, a musical rendition, a collaboration of two songs that are very good. If anything, I'm going to quickly ask if anybody has a request within reason, drop them down in the comments below, and just realize there is no musical arrangement behind me. If anything, I'm just going to try to get this right, try to get this sound right, and hopefully by the end of the night I'll get this right. So, I think that's everything that I would normally say, and I bashed it out in a minute. So hopefully I will get this right, get this done, and do something other than this one. So we are gonna try this. Hopefully it sounds right. Hopefully I can get the cohesion right. And alrighty then. So I took this love and I took it down. I climbed the mountain and I turned around. I know it's not a phase, 'cause it happens all the time. Start over, check again, now tell me, what can you find? I saw my reflection in the snow-covered hills, but a landslide brought me down. 'Cause I'm going out of frequency. Can anyone respond? It's like an avalanche. I feel myself go under, 'cause the weight of it's like hands around my neck. I never stood a chance. My heart is frozen over, and I feel like it is treading on thin ice. Can I handle the seasons of my life? Well, I've been afraid of changing, 'cause I build my life around you. But time makes it bolder. Children get older. I'm getting older too. Well, am I broken? What's the chance I will survive? Don't sugarcoat me, 'cause I feel like suicide. Just give it to me straight, 'cause I'm running out of time. I need an antidote. What can you prescribe? Well, I am afraid of changing, 'cause I build my life around you. Well, time makes you bolder. Children get older. I'm getting older too. Well, I'm getting older too. I need a cure for me, 'cause a square doesn't fit the circle. Give me a remedy, 'cause my head wasn't wired for this world. I need a remedy, 'cause my head wasn't wired for this world. I need a cure for me, 'cause a square doesn't fit the circle. Well, maybe, well, it's like an avalanche. The landslide will bring you down.